We as creators need to be able to be constructive so that these companies can improve. I don't think anyone can argue against the fact that it's clear as day that Samsung is on their Apple-ish. Got the biggest pimple ever. What is up, YouTube? Now wait until you guys see how many Samsung unboxings we will be doing. Literally every single piece of Samsung equipment that was released at this recent Samsung Unpacked for me to unbox. Let me shut up and get to the unboxing. Oh, you thought I was capping, didn't you? You thought I was capping about unboxing everything Samsung, and that ain't even all of them. There's another one. 7 big boxes from Samsung. May we open them all. To set these up right over here. Hold up. Oh, wait. Let's get into it. Now, if you know, then you know. If you do a pre-order with Samsung, they give you accessory credits, high value on your trade-in, so that you can get laced up with a ton of Samsung gear. So that's why I have so many boxes, but I also have so many boxes because I bought everything that Samsung released. So let's get into it. Unboxing knife. So I don't know what's what, and that's the fun part about this unboxing and how we're gonna do this. Totally random. All of the recyclable packaging. Shout out to Samsung looking out for the earth. I ain't gonna cap, but y'all sent me like mad boxes, you know what I mean? Could've just did one big box. Some power adapter duos and whatnot, as you guys can see. Now, it's funny because they took the chargers out of the box, but you typically get free chargers with every pre-order. So it's like, I'm gonna open up all these little smaller square boxes. See if we get something good. Then we'll open up the big box last. Oh, wait. This might be something good. Oh, this is something good. Let's see, player. Ba-bam, the flip. Yes, we got the flip for it. Hold on, before we open up the goods, we gotta get through all of the boxes, baby. Ooh, this one got some heft to it. Let's see what's up in it. All right. Oh, I know what this is. A lot of y'all have been hitting me up in the comment section asking me, yo, what's up, CJ? Are you gonna be? Listen, I got y'all. Come on, man. Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Come on now. Let's see, we got the standing cover with pin. I mean, you guys should already know what's popping in. Boo, boo, boo! The big boy Galaxy Z Fold 4. I can't wait to open that up and share my first impressions with y'all. Hold on, we're gonna put that right there. Let's keep going. Yeah, we got more boxes. Can you believe it? I can't. Now, since this is a long box, I'm pretty sure I know what's in it. Pause. All right, more paperwork. Woo! Ha! Bam! So we got that silicone flip cover with the little strap that's reminiscent of the same strap that's on my S22 Ultra. I love this case. I grew to love this case so much more than I anticipated. Boom! Let's put that right there. And then we have the Galaxy Watch 5. Yes, the smartwatch guru is back in the building. And this is not the last of these. Let's see, what size is this one? This is the 40mm Galaxy Watch 5. Here comes another long box. Recyclable. Okay, we got a super fast wall charger. We got our sport band for one of our watches. I'm not sure which watch that goes to. We have another Galaxy watch. What size is this? 40mm, a second 40mm. This super fast wireless charger duo little hookup right here. We got another long box, and then we got the big box. Man, I didn't already open up the big hitters. What else could we have? We got more from Samsung. Was just for one watch. But nevertheless, this is the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro right here in the flesh. And then we got our final box. Man, I got a massive mess up in the office today. And then we have here another Galaxy Watch 5, 44mm Galaxy Watch 5. So obviously no shortage of Galaxy Watch 5s. Yes, we went crazy. So now there's only one thing left to do. Let's see these pieces of magnificent tech in the flesh, in person, for the first time, baby. I think the first place I'm gonna start with is... All right. Let's open up the flip first. This is actually a phone that I'm excited to revisit. I got the very first original Galaxy Flip, which was an evolving project. It definitely was an early adopter by far. Matter of fact, let me get my flip, because we already know some of y'all players probably think I'm capping. Here it is in the flesh with a nice matte black D-brand skin on it. This is the original, the first release of the Z Flip. As you can see, we don't have that nice external larger screen, which was a con that I mentioned back then. So shout out to Samsung for listening to us. Let's see what color Z Flip 4 did I pick up. I'm kind of making it a little hard. Woo! Oh, yeah, you know, player had to go with that gold or whatever you want to call it. What is the official color of this? What does this say? This is not an original color. It's one of those, like, I guess, custom ones that they had that were already pre-made and available for release date. So that's what I went with. So I'm really excited to get back into the flip life and experience that again. Woo! Oh, she looking. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, hold on. Okay. A little first impression, first feel, first lift. Wow. Wow, a lot has changed. You can feel the improvement in the hinge by far, without a doubt, in between these two. Nice big front display in comparison to that small. I don't know what that was, Samsung, right there. Come on, player. Wow. Oh, yeah, this is going to be fire. I cannot wait to boot this bad boy up and give you guys my first impressions. So you guys already know how I do. I like to get the product and live with it, you know, a day or two, and then I'll come back and report. So let's check out these Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Let's take a look at it real quick, just real quick. See what they look like. Now, I'm not a fan of in-ear headphones versus the ones that, like, don't have the rubber tips, shall I say. I don't know what you call the other ones that don't have the rubber tips, but they kind of don't go all in your ear with the rubber tips, and because these tend to just have issues for me. But let's take a look at these new Galaxy Pro Buds Part 2. Let me see. Let me just go ahead and slide one up in there. You know what I mean? Let's see. Okay. You know, go ahead and slide the other one in. We can't hear anything, but let's just feel the fit. Actually feels really nice. I'm not even gonna cap, you guys. It's not too aggressive, but like I say, with like those rubber tips in there, you know, it's just easier for your ear to like kind of sweat and get all icky. And then sometimes, like right here, this material on certain in-ear buds, I'm not saying these specifically, tends to be cheaper. It doesn't always work well with like my skin and stuff. Like my skin needs that real deal, you know what I mean? Not too much artificial. All right, so let's get into the controversial Galaxy Watch 5 real quick. So 40mm and 44. We got the Graphite, we got gold, and then we got the Watch 5 Pro. So let's open them up. Bam. All right, nevertheless, here's the gold 40mm. You know what? And it's funny, they shipping them without the bands on them. I'm not gonna lie, Samsung, this right here, because you should ship it with your band on it. You're looking very Apple-ish. I don't think anyone can argue against the fact that it's clear as day that Samsung is on a Apple-ish. Taking a lot of notes from Apple and using them. And the presentations, all that stuff. I see y'all, Samsung. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna knock you for it, but I just remember all them, you know, these Apple haters who be going crazy for Samsung in my comments. Hey, realize who Samsung taking notes from, player. And it don't really matter, man. Just rock what you love and what you like. Okay, so that was the gold. Let's check out the Graphite. Okay, so look, the Graphite is shipped the way that Samsung typically ships their watches, which is with the strap already attached. Now, these are those, what do you call them? I forgot what you call them seamless straps. Let's see if they've improved the strap, because at first I did not like their strap from the previous, oh, I'm not gonna cap. Samsung, Samsung, y'all know y'all be watching my videos, taking notes. Come on, man, because I be critiquing y'all hard. Look at that. That looks so much better than the previous version that I had a problem with, because someone with a slender wrist like me, it was just banding out, and it wasn't even making good contact. A lot of people were talking about how with the original band, it wasn't making good contact. This is perfect. Yo, Samsung, way to take notes. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is what we hear. That's why y'all got to be brutally honest. Some of y'all be so scared tiptoeing. Now, I know it gets political when you on a different part of the team with Samsung and the embargo units and stuff, but we as creators need to be able to be constructive so that these companies can improve. I'm not toxic. There are toxic creators out there just creating toxic stuff just to, you know, get the clicks and all that. Hey, ignore them. But the real ones out here who really care about this tech and enjoy it, we're gonna just keep it all the way a beam. Now here's that blue color that I know a lot of people are wanting to go for. Boom, with that stray zap, look at that. Woo, this that Nip blue right there, man. That's that Nipsey Hussle blue, baby. Keep it a buck. Now let me hit this up on the strap. Now this is the 44mm. Y'all getting a sneak peek, but y'all know I'm gonna do the typical which size should you get. Hey, yo, shout out Samsung. Yo, I'm not even gonna say what it is. I'll talk about it in my video when I get into like what size you should pick for your wrist and stuff. But yo, big improvement on the straps. I'll say that right now. Big improvement. Wow. Yo, Coco, y'all over there listening, taking notes off my videos. You know, the smartwatch guru is peeping. Now, let's open up the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Whew, my arch nemesis. And let me tell you why. If you don't know, I am a Galaxy Classic fan. I love the physical turn bezel. Unfortunately, with this new Galaxy Watch 5 Pro Imposter, we no longer have the rotating bezel, which is unfortunate. Wait, before I open this up, look how good that roly face looks on this stainless steel build body. Like, that just looks meant to be. No gap in bezel or nothing. This just looks classy. Fire. And to the player out there that was trying to be funny, talking about you should just get a real Rolex player, in due time. But don't get mad if you see one on my... Nah, I'm playing. Eventually, in due time. Manifestation, man. Let's keep it a buck. Woo! So this is what the fuss is all about. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. I will say this, that titanium is a nice finish. Oh, I see what y'all did, Samsung, with the bezel. I'm not gonna talk about it in detail right here, but I see what y'all did. Okay, this is gonna get interesting. Yo, you guys gotta stay tuned for my Galaxy Watch 5 Pro review. Okay, we got some things to talk about and discuss. So I'm not gonna put the sports bands and buckles on just yet. And speaking of bands, y'all already know, man, I come with the custom bands, custom watch faces, I do all that. So hit the subscribe button for that video, which will be coming to you very soon. Now, what a lot of you have been waiting for, the Z Fold 4. Woo-hoo! My first impressions, my first thoughts, my first truths. Let's look at this bad boy, because you guys know I'm a Note user at heart. Still am. Galaxy Note user, even though they're trying to hide it under the S22 Ultra name and all that. And because we've always known, without the Note having an Ultra name, that it was the flagship. So I see what you did, Samsung. Now let's see what you did on this one, because I have the Z Fold 3 right here. One of the biggest complaints on this phone from everyone is cameras. We have a camera improvement. You guys can see size definitely are a lot bigger. The one thing I cannot fathom is why it's not on the level of the S22 Ultra. I digress. We'll talk about that later in my full review. That was one of the issues. Another issue in between this Z Fold 3, which is supposed to be improved on the Z Fold 4, is battery life. That was another big issue. And then the last other big complaint, just, you know, talking about it, was the front display. As you guys can see, it's my Z Fold 3. Now this hookup and this theme, you guys already know I'm gonna drop a video. It's gonna be on this one. But let's get that initial. You already know. Wait. Okay, I see Samsung, I see you. Woo! So you guys see the color I went with. I'm not sure what the name of this official color is, but it kind of, what is this? I thought it was gonna have more of like a gold finish, but it's more like, I don't know what is this color called officially? I forgot what official color this is. I'll probably put it on the screen, and I know it's gonna be kind of blown out, but it kind of has like this milky golden color. Kind of reminds me of the iPhone in the gold colorway. Kind of does. Like they kind of like tried to not go as gold on the. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie though. This is kind of fly right here, man. Woo! The Fold, baby. Hold on, let me feel this. Okay, let me feel this. You know, this one been broken in. Oh yeah, you could tell her. Wow, that's crazy. On the clothes, it's different. Oh, we got some differences, you guys. You can tell that the hinge is different and whatnot. So I can't give you guys all of the sauce and all that good stuff. Just know that your boy CJ Unplugged has every Samsung release from Samsung Unpacked in the building to be brutally reviewed, to be compared and contrasted. in the most honest way possible from a tech lover, a tech enthusiast, just like you, for you, to you, about you. It's not about me, it's about you. I'm gonna close on that note, baby. Go! Hey, y'all better smash the like button and turn on the bell and subscribe, because your subscribe doesn't count unless you turn on the bell. And the fact that I done blew this big bag on all this stuff, yeah, I've earned your subscription. I've earned your like. At the very bare minimum, a like. Hit the like button.